a quick one on GBPUSD. I wanted to do a quick top-down analysis as a day trader. um, as you can see from my chart here, this is a 4-hour time frame on GBPUSD. GBPUSD have been trending up for a while now. And what do we mean by an uptrend? When you have a series of higher high and higher low. Um, from the chart here, as you can see, if I should draw my trend line from the swing low, you can see we are having a series of higher high and higher low here. So quick one. Let me go straight to the point and have a breakdown. But first of all, let me clear my chart so that we can all do it together. Remove drawings. Yeah. This is 4-hour time frame, and without taking much of your time, I don't want the video to be too lengthy, and I don't want to bore you with too much talk. Just go straight to what I'm looking at for the week, which starting from the 1st of January 2024. So when you look at the charts, you can see from the chart here, if I should zoom it out on 4-hour time frame, from here, you can see there is a break of structure here on the 4-hour time frame. And the reason why the reason why I'm saying it's going to be, we're going to have a continued uptrend. We have been breaking highs, and that is one of the major rules when we talk about bullish trend. We'll continue having a series of higher highs and higher low. And if you are to judge from this point, this particular point where my cursor is down to this area, you can see we are having a series of higher high. This high is higher than this, while this is higher than this, and this is low, higher low, and this is the new higher low we're creating. So we're expecting a bullish move to take out this particular high here. This high, the last high is created on 4 hours time frame. So you can see this is the last high. So judging from 4 hours time frame, as a day trader, we do analysis on 4 hours. Then I use my 1 hour for the current trend and 15 minutes to execute my entry. So let's have a trend line from the bottom, which is the swing blue. We draw it up to the current charts here. This is 4 hour time frame now. Then I have to switch back. But before I switch back to my 1 hour time frame where I'm looking at to the current charts, we have to have the low. We have to mark out our zones, which we're expecting the price shouldn't break above the low. And if you should look from this is the last swing low we are having, which get back to this high. Then we are having a retracement. This downtrend, this red candles you are seeing forming down, this is a retracement. And as a trader, there are retracement level, golden zones you have to be looking at when you are doing your analysis. Like this now, presently we are doing analysis on the 4 hour time frame, looking out to catch a bullish move. So we're going to use our Fibonacci retracement. And Fibonacci retracement, you draw it from the swing low to the swing high, which is the recent swing high here. And judging from this particular zone is a golden zone for us because GBP has retraced almost this is the two golden zone I always look out for. But majorly I have my high concentration on the golden zone, which is 0.618 and the 0.79. These are the major golden zone for me. So looking at this now, if we are to draw our zones, the zones we're expecting GBP shouldn't break. If it should break, then we might have a downtrend to this low. So let me first of all let me delete this, which is the Fibonacci retracement, so that it won't make the chart so chubby. Then okay, I've deleted it. Then let's mark out our zones. the zones we are expecting a reversal for the bullish continuation of the bullish move. This low is a very golden zone for us, which before I deleted the Fibonacci retracement, you can see from this zone that is where we are having our golden zone retracement at 0.618 level. So I'm going to draw the zone here. This is the zone I'm drawing for the 4 hours. Okay, let me take it down a little bit because for the newbie traders, I don't want to bug you too much with talk. There is what we call liquidity zone, which you have to be very, very careful in when marking out your zone and when doing analysis. But let me know go too deep. Just want to make the video too short and a very straight one that anyone watching this you can be able to replicate and look. This is what I'm looking at for the week. So where we have our zone here, and let me draw out another zone here, which is the recent swing low. I'm drawing. This is the recent swing low. We draw it from the body to the week. So now what we are looking at here at the 4 hours time frame, then we switch back. How are we going to get our entry? When we already know we are we are at the point of returning where we are looking for the to have a very better and a very short sniper entry for the buy. Then you switch back. We only do analysis on 4 hours as a day trader and look at the 4 hours time frame for my for my for the what's it called for the trend. Then I'll switch back to 1 hour time frame to have a look where we're going to have a turning point for us to have a quick and a sniper entry. This is 1 hour time frame. So for the newbies, you might be thinking this is the zone you are supposed to be looking at to have your entry from. This mind you, there is what I was saying, which I said I don't want to bug you too much with um, too much talk. I just want to make it a very short video, quick analysis. If the trade reach here by Monday or Tuesday, and you are looking out for your entry here, there is what we call liquidity zone from this point here. By the time you have an entry here, okay, let me use a long functionality here. When the trade reaches here, which and you have a trend, you have your, for example, you are looking to catch, you have your entry here. Definitely, you, at the back of your mind, you want to have a very tighter stop loss, which you're going to put your stop loss here. If you are doing this, you might be wrong because if the trade comes, if the chart comes on Monday, it's going to clear this liquidity zone and come back to retest this golden level, which is 0.618. So you need to be very careful. So it might trade can be tricky at times, chart can be tricky at times. It can come to this zone and do what you want to do and start tracing back. But for you to be at the safer side, I would prefer you wait for the trade to come to this zone, this particular zone, after it has cleared all the liquidity, all the people setting their stop loss below here into play. Then you have to, if you don't want, if you want to have a very tighter stop loss, then you wait for the trade to come to this particular zone here. Here, this is what I'm saying. Let me put the function. Let me put the buy functionality here. You wait for the trade at this zone. Then you target the swing high. Target the swing high this way. Then by patiently waiting for this trade, you're definitely going to have a very tight stop loss. Very tighter stop loss this way. Okay, let's see how many pips we are looking to risk. Okay, let's say we are risking 15 pips. We are putting our the reason why we are putting our stop loss here, we are putting our stop loss at this point below the last swing low. Mind you, you have to, as a trader, you are going to be looking at what you are risking. You should have a very tighter, very small risks. Risking little to catch big for you to be a profitable trader. So when the trade comes here, you don't just wait, you don't just enter a trade here. This is, mind you, this is 1 hour time frame. You have to, by the time the trade is at this zone, this particular zone here, this zone, I mean this zone here, here. Oh, sorry. Let me use a box. This one. This one here. Let me make it red so that you can be able to see it clearly. So by, okay, sorry. You red? No, it's not red. I don't really want this chart to be so, this my video should be so lengthy. This particular box here. Oh, what's going on? Okay. When 1 hour candlestick reach this zone, you're not just going to execute your trade for the buy. You have to patiently wait and switch back to 15 minutes, either 30 minutes or 15-minute lower time frame for you to have a very tighter and a sniper entry. As you can see from our 15-minute chart here, this is what we are having on the 15-minute chart. I don't know what's wrong with my network. It's slow. So what you should be looking at on this box, this is what I'm saying. Let me draw it for you to have it very clear so that you will not at the end of the day make a mistake and FOMO and enter the trade. This is what I'm looking at. You allow the trade to come down to this zone. And on reaching this zone, you patiently wait to see two things will likely happen at this zone. If the chart reach, the candlestick reach this zone, it will, you patiently wait to see either a double bottom on 15 minutes for you to start longing this particular trade. Two things, as I said, two things will likely happen on this trade. GBPUSD, this is 15-minute chart. Sorry. So two things, as I said, it will likely happen on this chart when the candlestick reaches this zone. You wait to see a double bottom on 15-minute time frame, or you switch back to 5-minute time frame to have a sniper entry. One. Secondly, charts can be very tricky at times. It might come this way and break out this zone. So you see, this is the reason why I'm saying you don't just execute your trade when the candlestick reaches this box. You have to patiently wait to see the presence of the bulls, the presence of the buyers on the market, and not just seeing a green candle presence of the buyers and just jump into the charts. There might be a flash down. So you patiently wait to see double bottom on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, then you execute your trade. I want you to play safe here because, as I said, well, two things will likely happen. This is the first one, which is forming a double bottom on 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame. Then we start executing our buy trade. Secondly, it might come this way, break out this zone, retest, and it will start moving down. And when it start moving down, is the next zone we are looking to continue our uptrend because we are in a bullish trend on 15 minutes, on bullish trend on GBP, sorry. After it break out on this zone, the next zone you should be looking at is this particular zone for the buy, for the bull trend to continue. Are you getting it right? Easy peasy. You can watch this video again. These are the two things that will likely happen. This is 15-minute charts on GBP USD. Okay, sorry, 30-minute chart. This 15 minutes. So this is my bias for the week. Let me go back to 4-hour time frame. Let me delete this. It's making the charts choppy. And this is my bias for the week. GBP USD are in a bull run, bullish, and the bullish trend will continue. Let me remove this. So this is my bias for the week. Thank you very much. If you are new to this YouTube channel, do well to subscribe and smash the notification. Put on the turn up the post notification in case I post a new video. You should be among the first people to see this, to see my post. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.